So tell us one strategy on being successful as a real estate investor.
Well, this is a game of, ebbs and flows. So there are definitely tides coming in, tides going out. There's things happening all the time, closings that fall through. There's challenges with titles. There's challenges with, I call them contractors, so
Oh dear.
they got to go right into their name. but there's challenges that come, and what you got to do is make the long-term commitment to this process, because it's not something that is an overnight sensation. And once you just start recognizing that you're trying to build and build one on top of the other and build income on top, then you've got the opportunity to truly succeed. So I would say that the success is not being taken down by all the negative things that can come. And not only this business, but in any business, there's collections issues, there's other things. And so we help people through that process to make sure that they don't get taken out of the game, because it's the best game you could ever be in.